Hey everyone, Alex Brunner with Tucker USA and RHG Products here with another video. I had originally wanted to make a video of an unboxing, but unfortunately the video failed. So here is a boxing, or would have been an unboxing of the S4 window cleaning kit. It's one of our most popular prepackaged kits that we have available on our website at tuckerusa.com. So quickly wanted to give you a rundown of what is all included in this system. Obviously, uh, you get the S4 system, uh, which is our four-stage uh, RODI cart. The four stages are first the water will come in, you have your sediment, then goes into your carbon pre-filter that also has a chloramine killer, which is going to help protect your RO membrane, which is in here. Now this is our ultra high flowing RO membrane that it's exclusive to us. And then lastly, you'll go into your DI cartridge. Now, when you get the system, you'll have a box that comes with your filter wrenches. So when it's time to change out your pre-filter, you have the smaller wrench tool. And then for your DI cartridge, there you go. Some extra O-rings just in case you might need it down the road. This is for your pre-filter, and then your DI cartridge O-ring. You have your TDS meter that's included. This is going to measure your water quality coming from your water source and then the output of your system. And then, of course, you'll have your owner's manual. Highly suggest looking into it before you get started. In the box that comes in the S4 box, you'll notice that you have your pre-filters installed. Yes, your RO membrane is installed. The one filter we don't install is your DI resin. We have this sealed in the bag, and then you'll have it ready to install when you're ready to get the system out, just to make sure you have the freshest resin possible, since when it's dry, DI resin does have a shelf life of 6 to 12 months. Simply what you do if you're not sure how to install it correctly, there is a QR code. Just scan it with your phone. It'll take you to a YouTube video app showing how to get it installed. Next part is in the other box that you see over there is going to be your hose reel. And in this kit, you're going to get our Tucker 150-foot 3/8 line hose reel. Now you'll notice that I have the system here already hooked up to it. Everything's hooked up. But here we have the hose rail connected to the output of the system. This is for pure water. So it's not to connect to your inlet. This is simply to connect to pure water, then you'll deliver it to your pole tubing. One thing you would want that's not included is a garden hose. So we would suggest getting the garden hose at least 5/8 or 3/4 better for more water flow. Also, when you're using this system, we suggest lying it down. That way it's just not prone to getting knocked over. And then from there, in our kit, this prepackaged kit, we have our Tucker Mini. Here you see is the Tucker Mini, and this comes with our redesigned clamps and also the removable Euro tip in case you want to add our Tucker extendable gooseneck. That will simply drop in there. Or if you wanted to make this a trad tool, trad pole, get your squeegees and scrubbers for interior work, then you have the red Acme tip, and you'll simply put that in there. And also we have a wooden cone available that you can have your traditional tools on there. Simply get that back. So this has been one of our popular residential poles. People really love it. I know when I was out cleaning windows, this was one of my favorite poles to use. I would say 95% of the time in residential work. This right here is good for two stories with walkouts. And it does also have an extension available for the Mini. It's the Mini EXT that will add about 7.5 feet to this. So great all around residential pole. Then, of course, it comes with our world famous dual trim nylon brush. Um, Fantastic brush. We do have other options available. So if you like this kit, but you want to just trade it out with a brush, feel free to reach out to me. We can arrange the package to suit your best interest. If you have any questions on this package or any of our other packages, feel free to reach out to me at 303-663-1779. Or, of course, you can reach out to us via our website, leave us a message there at tuckerusa.com. Thank you.